If you want to admit new students by using custom imports, you can go to Menu, Data and Reports, and Custom Imports. Then click on New to create your form. Name it and select the Student Admission option from the drop-down menu. You can also choose Student Additional Details that you want to include. Once you have saved your import, you can click on Export as CSV. Your student admission template will include different headings to prompt you to enter in all the required information. These headings will include a lot of the options from the student admission section, such as the student's admission number, name, and date of birth. You'll also need to enter in the class name exactly as it appears on the portal. You can double check it by returning to Menu, Administration, Settings, and Year/Class. Click on Manage Class and select the year the student is being admitted into. Now copy and paste the class name into your template and ensure there are no extra spaces, as the name must be exactly the same. You may also have fields in the Additional Details section which are mandatory. You can check by returning to Settings and clicking on Add Admission Additional Details. Click Edit on one of your fields, and if the mandatory box is selected, you'll need to fill out this field. If the mandatory box isn't checked, you won't have to fill that field out. Now you can return to the template and add in any details for the allergies. You can admit multiple students and copy the information over if a lot of it will be the same. Then of course you can make changes to some of the options. Now that your student admission form is finished, you'll want to import it. Return to Custom Imports and click on Import Data. Now you can upload your file. It will queue and you can click to view its status. Return to see if it has successfully imported. If it has failed, this means some of the details will need amending. On the import page, you will see a guide on how to fill out the data. Some fields have an asterisk in front of them, which means this field is mandatory and you will need to include it. You will also see accepted values to help you use the right values for each field. You will also see examples and instructions for these field values. Once all the information has been entered, it should now successfully import.